Gold is definitely a market you want on your radar at the moment. The reason being is that we've broken through a major overhead level of resistance last week into the close on Friday. So we broke and retested 1,265 US dollars per ounce. I will put something on your radar right now, is that you don't want to only track gold priced in US dollars. You want to be aware of what it's doing in gold price in Australian US dollars on the left here, which has already breached the April highs and it's surging at the moment. And in actual fact, I think that's actually, it's broken out to the highest level in 2017, okay, the highest level since the November, the US elections in November. So that is approximately up, approximately at the 8-month highs at the moment. Gold price in US dollars. Gold versus the euro has found some support around the underlying trend channel. It's managed to close above some major levels over the course of this week. It has pulled back as well, but it is holding, and gold versus the US dollar pulled back again today, but got supported where it needs to, which is this underlying trend channel, which a lot of traders are paying a lot of attention to at the moment. We've been bid back up from that zone. We've had another retest at around the 1260 zone today. I would put that on lower time frames, so just be aware of this. I've got quite a lot going on this chart just because of the indicators which we're utilizing to get in on some of the tighter entries here on gold and several other markets right now. But ultimately, gold is finding support where it needed to today, which was a bounce off the 1260 zone. This was also underlying trend channel as well, going back towards the end of May here. So we've bounced off that level at the moment. I would look for a ricochet between these trend channels, continued momentum. Also, what is important is we broke out of this consolidation and a pennant formation last week. We retested the pennant, but what's really important is that the upper end of the pennant does not give way. So when it's retested, had we have broken, for argument's sake, if we broke and closed below 1260 today, that would mean that gold would be very likely to retest 1253 and possibly a further retracement lower. The fact that it's holding and it hasn't gone back within the previous pennant here means that we could certainly see gold go higher here. It's retracing at the moment. Also, should be on your radar, I'm sure it is anyway, but President Trump is due to be speaking later on today, which is going to be at 8 o'clock London time, and that is going to be about the possibility of the US pulling out of the Paris climate deal, the Paris Climate Accord, and he's going to make a statement about that later on today at 8 o'clock London time. I'm looking at that as potentially certainly could move the US dollar, could move US equities, S&P 500, Dow Jones and so forth, and that could definitely have an impact on gold as well. Thursday is often quite a volatile day for gold, and the fact that gold pulled back earlier on in the session off the back of strong ADP numbers and the dollar getting a bit of a bid to the upside, but the fact that gold did not follow through, it got bid back up again and